ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
Sir, we can't hear you.
Guruji, we can't hear you.
Guruji, audio is not clear. Guruji, audio is not clear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, sorry. Please repeat after me. Alpaksharam asandigdham
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Saravat Vishwato
Saravat Vishwato
Vishwatoham
Astobham Anavadyam Cha
Astobham
Anavadyam cha
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu
Sutram
Ayun
Aidun
Riluk
Riluk
Eong
Eong
Ay Ouch
Ouch
Hayavarat
Ayavarad
Ayavarad
Lan
Lan
Nyamanganadam
Nyamananam
Jabhai
Jabham
Gadhadash
Gadadash
Jabagadash.
Jabagadash.
Kapha chathatha chatato.
Chatatau.
Papai.
Kapai.
Shashasar.
Shashasar.
Pal.
Hal.
Akoga visarjaniyanam. Kantaha.
Janiyanam.
Ichu yashanam talu.
Yashanam talu.
Ruturashanam murdha.
Anam mudha.
Lutulasanam dantaha.
Lasanam dantaha.
Upu padmaniyanam oshtau.
Padmaniyanam oshtau.
Nyamangananam nasika cha. Edhaitoko kantathalu.
Kantatalu.
Odautoko kantha oshtam.
Kantavoshtam.
Vakarasya danta oshtam.
Kantavoshtam.
Jakhva muliyasya jakhva mulyam.
Vamulyam.
Nasika anusvarasya.
Anusvarasya.
Ramo rajamanis sada vijayate.
Rajamani sada vijayate.
Ramam ramesham bhaje.
Ramam ramesham bhaje.
Ramena bihata nishachara chamuhu.
Chamuhu.
Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Ramannasti parayanam parataram.
Ramanasti parayanam parataram.
Ramasya dasosmyaham. Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me.
Sada bhavatu me.
Ho Ramama muddhara.
Rama Mamuddara.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Harihi Hari Harayaha.
Hari Harayaha.
Guruhu Guru Guravaha.
Guravaha.
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha.
Pitarau Pitaraha.
Karta Kartarau Kartaraha.
Kartarau Kartaraha.
Eshaha Yeto Yete. Ayam Imau Ime. Sahataute.
Sahataute.
Kaha Kauke.
Kauke.
All these are what Shabda? Strilinga, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga.
Pullinga.
Rama Rame Ramaha.
Rame Ramaha.
Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha.
नदी
नद्यौ नद्यः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतिः
मतयः मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वध्वः
माता मातरौ मातरः
मातरौ मातरः
एषा एते एताः
एताः
इयम् इमे इमाः सा ते ताः का के काः नेक्स्ट वन फलं फले फलानि
फलानि
एतत् एते एतानि इदम् इमे इमानि तत्तेतानि किं केकानि What linga are these shabdas?
नपुंसकलिंग
Okay. Now you can mute your mic. Akanksha ji,
जी गुरुजी
you can read the first line and then decline. Just as declension is enough. Okay.
जी राम रामः रामौ रामाः गुरुजी only प्रथमा विभक्ति
Yes, that's enough. Yeah.
आचार्य आचार्यः आचार्यौ आचार्याः वृक्ष वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः
Second one too.
कृष्ण कृष्णः कृष्णौ कृष्णाः शङ्कर शङ्करः शङ्करौ शङ्कराः धीर धीरः धीरौ धीराः
You know the meaning. Rama, Krishna are just the names.
जी गुरु
Acharya, teacher. Laksha, tree. Then Shankara, the name. Dhira is brave
Brave.
person. In Gita, Dhira means Viveki. But here it is brave. Anyway, next person. Akanksha ji. Who read now? Deepika or Akanksha?
जी I read, now Deepika ji will read. चित्रकार चित्रकारः चित्रकारौ चित्रकाराः गज गजः गजौ गजाः बालः बाल बालः बालौ बालाः कूप कूपः कूपौ कूपाः शुनक शुनकः शुनकौ शुनकाः कृषक कृषकः कृषकौ कृषकाः.
What are the meanings of these
Yes,
words?
Chitrakara means a painter, Gaja means elephant, Bala means boy, Kupa means well, Shunaka means parrot, and Krishaka means farmer.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Namaskaram. Gayakaha, Gayakau, Gayakaha. That is male singer. Vachaka, Vachakaha, Vachakau, Vachakaha. That is cook. Dhanikaha, Dhanikau, Dhanikaha. That is rich man. The next Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha. That is peacock. Vanaraha, Vanaraha, Vanarau, Vanaraha. That is monkey. Chatra, Chatraha, Chatrau, Chatraha, student. Naraha.
It's okay. Next person, Parulji.
Yes, sir. Naraha, Narau, Naraha, male.
Naraha.
Naraha, Manushyah, Manushyav, Manushyaah, human. Balakau, Balakah, Balakau, Balakaah, boy. Chalakah, Chalakau, Chalakaah, driver. Kakah, Kakau, Kakaah, crow. Pikah, Pikah, Pikau, Pikaah, Kaku. Putra,
Next
Putrau,
person. Again,
Putraha.
Priyaji.
Yes, ji. Putra, putraha, putrau, putraha. Pautra, pautraha, pautrau, pautraha. Surya, suryaha, suryau, suryaha. Ravi, Ravi. Hari Shabdam. Ravi, Ravihi, sorry, Ravihi, Ravi, Ravyau, Ravyaha, Chandra,
Rabhyaha.
Ravayaha,
Check again, Hari Shabda.
sorry, ji, Ravayaha, Chandra, Chandraha, Chandrau, Chandraha, Pitamaha, Pitamahaha, Pitamahau, Pitamahaha.
What are the meanings?
Putra is son, Pautra is grandchild, Surya is son, Ravi is also son, Chandra is moon, Pitamaha is paternal father. Ji, Shunaka is dog only, no ji?
Yeah, Shunaka is dog. What did you say?
Yeah, somebody said parrot, that's it.
Shuka is parrot. Sorry, I also didn't.
Yes,
Shunaka is dog. Okay.
yes, ji.
Dog has got. Kukura is also dog. Sarame also dog. Shunaka is
Saram.
dog.
Oh,
Shuka is parrot. Okay.
okay, okay.
I think Akanksha ji had to correct it.
No, Suguruji, I said that.
Yeah, okay, well, maybe. That Shunaka is dog. Shunit Chaiva Shapake Cha Panditaha Samadarshinaha. Okay, fine. It's next person, Subhalaksha ji.
अध्यापकः अध्यापकौ अध्यापकाः टीचर सिंहः सिंहौ सिंहाः लयन कविः कवि कवयः पोएट मुनिः मुनि मुनयः सेंट अरिः अरिः अरि अरयः एनिमि अग्नि अग्नि अग्नयः फायर अदिति
Agnihi Agni Agnayaha.
अग्निः अग्नि अग्नयः फायर
Next person, Akanksha ji.
जी गुरुजी अतिथिः अतिथि अतिथयः निधिः निधि निधयः पाणिः पाणि पाणयः निशापतिः निशापति निशापतयः श्रीपतिः श्रीपति श्रीपतयः भूपतिः भूपति भूपतयः Atithi means guest. Nidhi means
Treasure.
wealth.
Treasure. Yeah, treasure, yes.
Treasure, yes. Pani is water. Nishapati means
No. Pani is not Hindi Pani. This is Pani is
hand
Shop.
Shop,
hand.
market.
hand.
Not market. Pani is hand. Dandapani, Shulapani.
Okay.
So it is hand.
Okay. Nishapati, god of night.
This moon.
Shripati. Okay. Shripati is Vishnu or
Yes.
Bhupati is Lord of the Earth. So
Yes. Next person. Next person is,
Yes, Deepika.
yeah, please read.
Whose picture was when?
Nirupa, that is a king. like Nrupaha, Nrupav, Nrupar, Nrupaha,
Nripaha.
Nrupaha. Udadi means ocean. Udadihi, Udadhi, Udaya, Udadiyaha,
Uddadhayaha.
Udadhayaha. Jaladhi, that is also ocean. Jaladihi, Jalad, Jaladhi, Jaladhayaha. Yati means saint. Yatihi, Yati, Yatayaha. Pashu, animal. Pashuhu, Pashu, Pashavaha. Bhanu means sun. Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanavaha.
Yeah, next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnavaha. There is Lord Vishnu. Shishuhu, Shishu, Shishavaha. That is child. Ripuhu, Ripu, Ripavaha. Enemy. Taruhu, Taru, Taravaha. That is tree. Bhikshuhu, Bhikshu, Bhikshavaha. Saint. Akuhu, Aku, Akavaha. That is mouse.
Bhikshu is not,
Sorry, Bhikshu is a beggar.
Bhikshuka is beggar. Bhikshu is, you can say Buddha Bhikshu, not saint.
Okay, okay.
The one who is given to begging.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Would be a saint also, but literal meaning is not that.
Okay.
Next person, Varulji.
Yes, sir. Shambhu, 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 Shambhuvaha. Pitru,
Shambhu, Shambhu, Shambhavaha, that's no Shabda.
Shambhuhu, Shambhu, Shambhuvaha.
Shambhavaha.
Shambhavaha. Shambhavaha.
Shambhu, Shambhavaha.
Okay. Shambhu is a name, Shankara, no?
Yes.
Pitru, Pita, Pitrau, Pitaraha. Father.
Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Not
I
Pitrau.
said
You have to
Pitarau,
say Pitarau.
Pitarau, correct?
Yeah.
Pitarau, Pitaraha. Then father. Jamatru, son-in-law. Jamatra, Jamatrau, Jamatraha.
Jamata, Jamatarau.
Jamata, Jamatarau, Jamatraha. Jamatraha.
Jamataraha.
Jamataraha. Bhratru, Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhataraha, Bhataraha,
Brataraha.
Bhratraha, Bhratraha,
Brataraha.
Bhratraha, Bhrataraha. Correct, sir? Bhratraha, Bhrataraha. Kartru, Bhratru is brother. Kartru means what, sir?
Doer.
Huh? Kartaru,
Doer, no.
Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha.
No.
That
Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha.
Karta,
That's different.
what, sir? Karta, correct?
Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. All these things we have seen so many times.
Yes, yes, sir. So Karta, Kartarau,
Not
Kartarahu.
Kartarau.
Kartarau.
Okay, continue.
Karta, Kartaraha. Datru, Datra, Datarau, Dataraha.
Data, Datarau, Dataraha. Okay, next person.
Sir, what is the meaning of Kartur?
Kartru is doer. Datra is giver.
That is giver, yeah, that is good.
Next
Shotru.
person. Subbalashmi. You have to unmute your mic.
Shotru.
Hmm. Yeah.
Shotru. Shotra. Shotarau. Shotaraka. That is listener.
Yeah.
Vakta. Vaktarau. Vaktaraha. Speaker. Sauchikaha. Sauchikau. Sauchikaha. Meaning.
Tailor.
Pardon?
Tailor.
Oh, okay. Durabhasha. Durabhashaka.
Durabhasha.
Bhashaka.
Not Durabhasha. Durabhasha.
Durabhasha. Durabhashau. Durabhashaha.
Durabhashaha. Durabhashau.
Ashvaha.
Durabhashaha. Hmm.
Durabhashaha. Ashvaha. Ashvau. Ashvaha. Hamsaha.
Yeah.
Hamsau. Hamsaha. That is a swan.
Hmm.
Vruddhaha. Vruddhau.
Next person.
Vruddha.
Akanksha.
Jeevan. Vruddhaha, vruddhau, vruddhaha. Old man. Alayaha, alayau, alayaha. Means temple. Rushabhaha, rushabhau, rushabhaha. Means a bull. Kapotaha, kapotau, kapotaha. Means pigeon. Pariyankaha, pariyankau, pariyankaha. Means I don't know.
Bed.
A bed. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Balivardaha, balivardau, balivardaha.
Same as Rishabha only.
Bull.
Next person. Deepika.
Ji. Kapihi, kapi, kapayaha. That is a monkey. Girihi.
Yes. Vanara is there. Kapi is there. Another name.
Yes. Girihi, giri, girayaha. Mountain. Sadhuhu, sadhu, sadhavaha. That is saint. Devru, devaraha. Devaraha. Devarau.
Deva, Devarau, Devaraha.
Deva, Devarau, Devaraha. Yes, Guruji. That is a brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Atru is a brother.
Bratru.
Bratra. Bratarau.
Bratarau.
Brataraha.
Brataraha.
8 minutes. Bratarau.
Brata, Bratarau, Brataraha.
Oh yeah. Bratarau, Brataraha. Yes, like a neta. Yeah. Mushaka. Mushakaha, Mushakau, Mushakaha.
Mushaka is mouse. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Sarpaha, sarpau, sarpaha. That is snake. Sainikaha, sainikaha, sainikau, sainikaha. Soldier. Asandaha, asandaha, asandau, asandaha. Chair.
Asandaha.
Asandaha. Chair. Kataha, katau, kataha. Pot. Kupaka, kupau, kupaha. That is well. Grantaha, grandaha, grantaha, grantau, grantaha. Wealth or property.
Grantha is book.
Oh, sorry.
What is Grantha, sir? Book.
Book.
Okay. Because in there it is treatise. If you see in the dictionary,
Yes.
treatise means what?
Treatise means it is book only.
Okay.
Next person. Parulji.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Just read only 2 lines, okay? Don't keep on reading. Other person will read each 2
Okay.
lines. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Parvatah, Parvatau, Parvataha, mountain. Vayagraha, Vayagrau,
Not
Vayagraha.
Viagra. Vyagra.
Vyagra, sorry. Vyagraha, Vyagrahau, Vyagrau, Vyagraha, tiger. Shashakaha, Shashakaha, Shashakau, Shashakaha, rabbit. Banaha, Banau, Banaha, arrow. Chapaha, Chapau, Chapaha. Chapa means knife.
Bow.
Pardon?
B-O-W. Bow.
Bow, okay. Deepaha, Deepo, Deepaha, lamp.
Again,
Yes, Ji. Sarati, Saratihi, Sarati, Saratayah. Sarati is a charioteer. Pataha, Patau, Pataha, lesson. Ishuhu, Ishu, Ishavaha, sugarcane. Deha, Dehaha,
Issue is
sugarcane.
sugar. Really? Did you check that?
Arrow.
Sorry,
Hmm.
Ji.
Issue is sugarcane. Issue is arrow.
Okay. Deha, Dehaha, Dehau, Dehaha. Deha is body. Sharira, Shariraha, Sharirau, Shariraha. This is also body.
Harira is not, it's a mistake. It's an apumsakalinga. Shariram, Sharire, Sharirani.
Okay, Ji. Shariram, Sharire, Sharirani. Yes. Naptru, Naptruhu, Naptru, Naptaraha, Naptarava. Illala.
I think you have not read Rikaranta at all, it seems.
Naptru only no, sir. Sorry,
Naptru is-
Rikaranta.
By seeing the word, you know it, right? Naptru ending with
Naptru.
Rikaranta. It must be Rikaranta.
Sorry, Ji.
Yes, what? Yes, what is the Rumaji?
Napta, Naptarau, Naptaraha.
It is declined like Kartra Shabda. Exception. Grandson. Napta, Naptaro, Naptaraha. We have
It is
seen
not
this.
king, Ji.
Huh?
It is not king.
It is not king. Why king here? Nrupa is king. Naptra is grandson.
Okay, Ji.
Next person. Sublakshmi ji.
शिक्षकः शिक्षकौ शिक्षकाः टीचर समुद्रः समुद्रौ समुद्राः ओशन चित्रकारः चित्रकारौ चित्रकाराः पेंटर आर आर्टिस्ट
Painter, artist, anything is okay.
उत्पीठिका उत्पीठिकौ उत्पीठिकाः टेबल नासिका नासिकौ नासिकाः नोस अम्बा
Yes, Amba. What?
आकारान्त
Yes,
Amba,
everything is
Amba.
Akaranta.
what will be?
Utpitika onwards Akaranta only. Strilinga only.
Yes, Amba
Ambe, Ambaha.
Amba, Ambe, Ambaha. Utpitika, Utpitike, Utpitikaha. Same thing.
Amba
Nasika, Nasike, Nasikaha. Amba, Ambe, Amba.
Ambe Ambaha Mala
Next person.
mother Amba means mother.
Akanksha ji.
Ji Guruji.
Sir, what is the meaning of Utpitika?
Table.
Table.
Table, okay.
Mala, Male, Malaha, garland. Bala, Bale, Balaha, girl. Chhatra, Chhatre, Chhatraha, girl student. Gaika, Gaike, Gaikaha, female singer. Mahila, mahile, mahilaha, woman. Petika, petike, petikaha, box.
Yes, next person.
Mahila, mahile, mahilaha, woman.
Oh.
Pathashala, pathashale, pathashalaha. That is a school. Aja, aje, ajaha. Goat, female goat.
Female goat.
Yes. Lekhaka, that is a lekhaka, lekhakaha, lekhakau, lekhakaha, writer. Nauka, that is a boat. Nauka, Rama Rame Ramaha, like Nauka, Nauke, Naukaha. Kunchika, that is a key. Kunchika, Kunchike, Kunchikaha.
Yes. Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Adhyapika, Adhyapike, Adhyapikaha, female teacher. Makshika, Makshike, Makshikaha, housefly. Kata, Kate, Kataha. Sorry, correct. Story. Balika, Balike, Balikaha, girl. Dvichakrika, Dvichakrike, Dvichakrikaha, bicycle. Churika, Churike, Churikaha, knife.
Parulji.
हाँ. Agnipetikah, Agnipetikau, Agnipetikaha, matchbox.
The word is Agni Petika.
Yes,
What
sir.
anta is it?
Agnipetikaha, Agnipetikau, Petikau, Agnipetikaha. Correct, sir?
Anybody, what is the correct one?
Agnipetikaha.
Anybody?
Agni petika,
Agni Petika,
Agni
Petike,
petika.
Petikaha.
Okay, it's a female.
Shabdam.
Okay. It's a Rame, Rama, Rame, Rame.
Ramaha.
Ramaha. Okay. So Pipilika is also a female end. Pipilika. So Pipilika, Pipilike, Pipilikaha. Shatika, Shatike, Shatikaha. Sorry. Nasa, Nase, Nasaha. Nose. Bhasha, Bhashe, Bhashaha. Language. Mati, Mati. So Mati is like Nadi. Mati, Madhyo, Nadi, Nadyo, Matyo, Mata, Yah. Correct, sir?
Is it like Nadi?
Mati. So Hari. Mati is female or male? If it is Mati is Hari Shabda.
Mati,
Mati.
Mati Shabda.
Matihi, Mateha.
Mati, Mataya.
Mati,
Every class we chant.
Yes,
I don't know, if you're missing class, you have to listen to the recording. Okay.
Yes,
Every
sir.
class we chant.
Yes, sir.
The beginning,
Mati.
what we do? We chant all the Shabda, Pullinga, Strillinga.
Srilinga, yes, sir. Mati, Matayah.
No.
That is
No,
intellect.
that's not. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. Okay.
Matihi, Mati, Matayah. That is
Next
intellect.
person. Yeah. Sulakshmi.
Shakti, Shaktayah. Lata, Late, Lata. Yeah. Lata, Late, Lataha. Creeper. Vidya, Vidye, Vidyaha. Knowledge. Vasudha, Vasude, Vasudaha. Krishna. Pragya,
Vasudha is
Krishna.
Earth, Prithvi. Not,
Oh.
it is not Vasudeva. Vasudha is Bhumi.
Okay. Thank you. Praja, Praje, Prajaha. Citizen.
Pragnya.
Pragnya, Pragne.
It is Pragya, it is not Praja.
Pragnya, Pragne, Pragnaha. That meaning, Guruji?
Pragya is wisdom.
Pardon,
Jnana,
what? Gnanam. Sir,
Okay.
what?
knowledge.
Knowledge. Jnanam. Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha. Journal.
Patrika, yes. Next person. Akanksha.
जी गुरु पुस्तिका पुस्तिके पुस्तिकाः book वनिता वनिते वनिताः woman शाखा शाखे शाखाः branch बुद्धिः बुद्धि बुद्धयः intellect वृष्टि वृष्टिः वृष्टि वृष्टयः वृष्टि means
Rain.
Drishti is rain.
rain,
Rain.
rain. Yes, rain. Shrutihi, Shruti, Shrutayaha. Shruti means hearing.
Veda.
Shastram.
Veda, Veda. Shastra.
Or that hearing also is correct. That is also is that.
Yes, Guru.
Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Nadihi, Nadi, Nadyaha.
Again.
Sorry. Nadi, Nadyav, Nadyaha. Nari, Naryav, Naryaha. Janani, Janyav, Janyaha.
Jananyav, Jananyaha.
Jananyav, Jananyaha. Nadi means river, Nari is woman, and then Janani means mata, mother.
Mother.
Yes. Janaka, Janakaha, Janakau, Janakaha. Nati, Nati, Natyo, Natyaha. That is Mahishi, Mahishi, Mahishyo, Mahishyaha.
Nati is actor, actress.
Yes, actress. And Mahisi is a female bull,
Buffalo.
buffalo. Okay.
Next person. Marji.
Yes, Guruji. Denuhu, Denuhu, Denu, Denavaha. Cow, that is Kamadenu. Danuhu, Danu, Danavaha. That is body or thin.
Not
Sachi.
Danuhu, it is Tanuhu.
Tanuhu, sorry. Tanuhu, Tanu, Tanavaha. That
If you
is,
say Dhanuhu,
sorry.
Dhanu becomes Dhanush, bow.
Okay.
If you change the pronunciation, the meaning becomes different. Tanu is body, Dhanu is Dhanush.
Sorry.
Dhanur Daraha.
Okay. Tanuhu, Tanu, Tanavaha. Next one. Sanchuhu, Sanchu, Sanchavaha. Clever.
Chanchuhu, Chanchu, Chanchavaha.
Sanchuhu, Sanchu, Chanchavaha. Clever.
Not clever. Chanchu is not clever. Chanchu is beak of a bird.
Okay. Beak of the bird. Okay. Rajjuhu, Rajju, Rajjavaha. That is rope. Vadu, Vaduhu, Vadu, Vadvo, Vadvaha. Young wife.
Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha. You say slowly. Why? Say it
Okay.
clearly.
Okay.
Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha. We
Vadu,
chant in the class just now.
okay. Vaduhu, Vadvo, Vadvaha. Young wife. Chamuhu,
Vadu is daughter-in-law. Okay. Anyway, fine.
Chamuhu, Chambau, Sambavaha, army.
Chamvaha. Isharachara Chamuhu. We chant in the class before.
Okay. Okay.
Chamu is army. Parulji. Parulji there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is the meaning of Tanuhu? The
Body.
Tanu is body. Okay. Shavashru.
Shvashru.
Shvashru. Ukarantaha. Shvashru.
Not
Shvashru.
Ukaranta. It is not Ukaranta. It is Ukaranta. First, you have to say that properly. Basic thing.
Ukaranta.
Ukaranta becomes Hrasva, short. It is Ukaranta.
Ukaranta. Shavshruhu.
Shvashruhu. Shvashru is a Shvashru. Shvashruhu, Shvashrau, Shvashravaha.
Ha.
You leave
Shvashru.
it. Okay, read the next one. It's okay. Read the
What
next
is the
one.
meaning of Swashru?
What is meaning of Shvashru? This is actually your homework, okay? You have to find out the
Yeah.
meaning.
Only this.
Mother-in-law.
Huh?
Mother,
Yeah?
Mother.
Mother-in-law.
Huh? Mother-in-law.
You are supposed to find the meaning and write it and do the declension.
I saw it, sir, but in the dictionary I could not find it out. That
It is there. It is
there.
mother-in-law. It is. You just see that spoken Sanskrit dictionary.org.
Ha.
It is. You have to type it and see this.
Matru. Mata. Mataro. Mataraha. Mother.
Yes.
Yatru. Yatra. Yata. Yatro. Yataraha. Traveler.
Yataro, yeah, not yatro. Yata, yataro, yataraha.
Yata. Yataro. Yataraha. Traveler. Druhitru. Druhit.
Dugitru, not duhit. Dugitru.
Duhitra. 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 Duhitra.
Dugita.
Duhita.
You say Dugitra, Dugitra. There is no Dugitra. Dugita.
Duhita. Duhita. Duhitaro. Duhitaraha. Duhitara means
daughter.
daughter. Okay.
Daughter, no, daughter.
Daughter.
Not the doctor, daughter.
Daughter,
Daughter.
Daughter. Pushpa. Pushpaha. Pushpaha. Pushpa. Pushpe. Pushpaha. Flower.
It's a new one. Yeah, it's a your declension, but it is not
No,
like
no.
that.
No, okay. Pushpa is male or female, that I have to see. No, flower.
Why is there anything other than that? Why
No,
not?
no, Pushpa.
Apumsakalinga.
Acha, Pushpam. Pushpam. It is Pushpam. Okay. Pushpam. Pushpe. Pushpani. Nayanam. Nayanam. Phalam. Phale. Phalani. Nayanam. Nayane. Nayanani. Eyes.
Okay, next person.
Okay.
One of the good thing in the class is we keep reading the same thing. We never move. This is going to 50 class is going to be over. Yeah, the same Pratama Vibhakti only. You have to move on.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to develop that. You have to study. Only in the class, I think most of you study in the class only. After that, little bit of homework. By seeing the word, you should be able to see what it is that. Pushpa and all, it's not the first time we are using. So many times we have seen Pushpa, Nayana. The beginning when we learned the Akshara, that time itself I gave the vocabulary and just gave a hint there itself. If you have to find the first what is the gender and the meaning. You cannot just go by Pushpaha, Pushpaha and all.
Yes, sir.
Flower is flower means it is simple word. You should know it is Napumsakalinga. This familiarity has to come. I think enough familiarity has been given. Anyway, what to do? Yes, next person. Again, Priyaji.
Bhushnam, Bhushne, Bhushnani.
How do you read? I am really surprised. You read again? Read again the word. Really? You speak Hindi? Do you know Hindi?
No. No, ji.
Surprising. Then how do you read this word as Bhushna? What is the word, anybody? Read this.
Bhushna.
Bhushana.
Bhushan.
Bhushanam.
Bhushana.
Bhushanam.
Bhushanam.
Bhushana. Again, you're reading that wrongly. Not Bhushan. Not Bhushna. It is
Ah.
Bhushana.
Bhushana. Oh, Dirgha. Okay, okay.
That is not a mistake. First to understand what mistake you are doing. You read it as Bhushna. When you say Bhushna, you know how Bhushna will look?
No, ji.
You don't know how Bhushna will look. This is
Oh.
Bhushna. Is it Bhushna?
Okay, okay. They are separate letters.
Separately. What is separately?
Bhushana.
Ana. Ana.
What is the difference? If I write Bhushana, Bhushna, what is the difference?
No, the pronunciation differs, ji.
Why? Of course, pronunciation will differ. Differing. Why the pronunciation differs? What's the difference? What makes it different? What makes it different? Simple thing. Anybody? What is the difference?
Bhushana conjunct consonant, but Bhushana.
Yes.
Good. Yeah. Tell me. Yes. Continue. Deepika ji.
So Bhushana will be separate, sir. It will be anakara ending. But Bhushana will be shana. So conjunct it will be.
That is also akara ending only, conjunct consonant.
Yes.
Bhushana. When you do Varna Vicheda, Bakara plus Ukara plus Shakara plus Akara is that. Akara, you are missing it. Right?
Yes.
Bakara plus Ukara plus Shakara plus Akara plus Nakara plus A. You are cutting the Akara like in Hindi. In Hindi, they do it. That's why I asked you, do you know Hindi? If Hindi Samskara is there, at least, okay, there's a point is saying Bhushna. Bhushana. So read it individually. Bhu, first letter Bhu, second letter is Sha. How can you read it as Bhushna? I don't know that we have to see that. What makes you read that? Bhushana. When you say Sha, A is there. Letter A is there or no? If you remove A, it becomes a conjunct consonant.
Yes, yes.
I don't know whether you see it. Huh?
Yes, I understood, ji. Understood. It's a mistake.
Yes.
This is Napumsakalingam. Bhushanam, Bhushane, Bhushanani.
Yes.
Jnanam.
Generally, Hindi speaking people will do mistake. That's why I asked you whether you know Hindi.
No,
In
it's a
Hindi,
mistake.
that vowel part is cut. The pronunciation is like they will say. Mahadev they will say. That's okay in Hindi. But in Sanskritam, that samskara will come. I don't know. You have to check. You have to read as it is. That's a difference between other language and Sanskritam.
Yes. ji.
As it is written, so it has to be read. You don't have to superimpose any other extra pronunciation or you have to imagine, like in English. Every letter has its pronunciation, pronounce as it is. The combination of this, the pronunciation of the letters, that makes the pronunciation of the whole word. So, Bhushana. Okay, continue.
Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani. Knowledge.
What is the meaning of Bhushana?
I don't know, ji. I couldn't find the meaning.
Decoration.
Ornament.
Oh,
Decoration. Yes.
okay. Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. Friend. Patni is female. Sorry, Strilinga. Patni, Patnyau, Patnyaya, Patnayaha.
Not Patnayaha. Patnyaha.
Patnyaha,
Conjunct to that.
Patnyaha. Wife. Astra, Astram, Astre, Astrani. Astram is it's a weapon or something like that.
Weapon only.
Yes. Shastra, Shastram, Shastre, Shastrani. Shastram or Veda.
Yes. Next person. Subbalakshmi.
Chatra, Chatre, Chatrani. Umbrella. Shastram.
Yes.
Shastram, Shastre, Shastrani.
Not
Yan-
Shastram.
Shastraha.
No. Read the word properly.
Shastra.
No,
Shastra.
is it?
Shastra, sorry. Shastra. Shastra. Shastre, Shastrani.
Shastram, Shastre, Shastrani.
Shastra, Shastre, Shastrani.
How it is Shastra? Shastram.
Shastram, Shastre, Shastrani.
Hmm.
Yantram. Yantram, Yantre, Yantrani. Machine.
Yes.
Netram. Netram, Netre, Netrani. Sukam. Sukam, Suke, Sukani. Yanam. Yanam, Yane, Yanani. Yanani
Yes.
mean, I don't know what.
Yana means vehicle.
Okay.
Yanam means vehicle. Any transport vehicle. Basayanam, Karayanam, you can say.
Thank you.
Aeroplane.
Yeah.
Aeroplane.
Vimanam, that is.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, this is vehicle.
Yanam is that by which you move.
Travel.
Travel.
Okay, sir.
Akanksha ji, next one.
जी गुरुजी. फलं फले फलानि, fruit, कंकणम कंकणे कंकणानि, bangles, वस्त्रम वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि, clothes, पत्रम पत्रे पत्राणि, letter, पात्रम पात्रे पात्राणि, vessels, कमलम कमले कमलानि, lotus.
Yes, next person.
Chakram, Chakre, Chakrani. That is wheel. Vahana, Vahanam, Vahane, Vahanani. Vehicle. Parnam, Parne, Parnani. That is leaf. Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. Book. Nakshatram, Nakshatre, Nakshatrani. That is a constellation or star.
Star, yeah.
Yeah. Bija, that is seed. Bijam, Bije, Bijani.
Yes, next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Hastam, Haste, Hastani. Hand. Parvatam, Parvati.
Hand is, what is the linga of hand?
Sorry, Pullinga. Hastaha, Hastau, Hastaha. Hand. Parvataha, Parvatam, Parvataha. Mountain. Devaha, Devrisham. Devaha, Devaha, Devo, Devaha.
Simple. Reklama Shabda. What's confusion? Devaha, Devo, Devaha.
Deity. Next one, ashram.
Ashrama, not ashram.
Okay, sorry. Ashrama, ashramaha, ashramau, ashramaha, gurukulam. Jalaha, jalam, jale, jalani. Jalam, jale, jalani. Water. Prithvi, prithvihi, sorry.
Prithvi, it's not Prithvi.
Prithvi,
Prithvi.
Prithvyau, Prithvyaha. That is
Prithvi. Read slowly, okay. Why Arjunji? Prithvi, Prithvyau, Prithvyaha. You're reading it wrongly when you read fast. Next
Okay.
person, Parulji.
Yeah. Thank you.
Vastram, Vastre, Vastrani, clothes. Ghati, Ghati,
Gati, not Gati.
Ghati, Ghatayah. Chitram,
Gati, Gatyau, Gatyaha.
Ghati, Ghatyau, Ghatayah. Pot.
Gatyaha, not
Ghatyaha.
Gatayaha.
Ghatyaha.
Nadi Shabdavat.
Yeah, Nadi Shabda. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyah.
Nadyaha, then how can be Gatayaha?
Ghat, Ghatayah.
If
Nadi,
Nadi is Nadyaha, then
Nadyaha.
Gati, how can it be Gatayaha? Gatyaha it is.
Ghatyah. Okay, Ghatyah. Pot. Chitram. Chitram. Chitre. Chitrani. Picture. Veda. Veda is Vedas, but it is masculine or feminine, sir? Veda. So Veda,
You have to tell me, I don't know.
I have to see in the dictionary. Vedas is, I think, so male.
How do you know if by seeing the word? Can't you
No.
tell the
Yes,
gender?
No, Veda. Veda.
By seeing the, listen,
Huh.
by seeing the word, can't you tell the gender? It is possible, to some extent it is possible.
Yes, sir.
It is not that it is impossible.
Veda. So it is Ved. Rama. Rame. Rama. Rama. No. Veda. Veda. Vedaha. Vedau. Vedayah.
Vedaha, Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda. Vedaha. Gita.
You have to see the end letter of the word. What
Gita.
is the end letter of the word Veda?
Veda. Oh, Akaranta.
Then Akaranta, what linga it would be?
Male.
Pullinga, don't say male and Pullinga, say Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Then Pullinga, then Rama Shabdavat.
Yes. Ramaha. Ramo. Ramaha. So Vedaha. Vedau. Vedaha. Gita.
Okay.
Gita. Gitaha. Gitau. Gitaha. Gita is the book Gita only, no? Name of person.
Is it Pullinga or Strilinga?
It is Gita, female.
How do you know it's a female? It's not female. Don't say female. I'm also catching from you. Don't say Strilinga.
Strilinga. So like Rama, Gita, Gite, Gitayah, Shikshika.
Gitayaha. I don't know how you can say all these things. No one only can say Gita, Gite, Gitaha.
Gita, Gite, Gitaha. Shikshika. Shikshika, Shikshike, Shikshakaha.
Shikshikaha.
Shikshikaha, female teacher. Kim.
Yes. Okay. Next person. See how many times you have done that, but still making mistakes, huh?
Yes, sir. In pronunciations, I get fumbled up. That
pronunciation is not a problem, but the problem is what linga, how to
declension.
all the materials are, listen, all the materials are there. Take a printout, keep it with you before the class. I don't know. All these things are there. By seeing the word, it's not a big thing. There's no mathematical calculations or analysis involved. Simple thing. Little bit of effort, everyday effort is required. That samskara is not created in spite of it's going to be 50 classes. The Samskrita samskara is not yet created. Only one or two people perform very well. Other than that, I don't think so. Anyway, let us see how it goes. I don't know. This is the first time I'm feeling like this. I've been taking some advanced classes, intermediary. I started and it moves on. But still we are in the declension, akara, ukaranta. When are we going to learn other things? I keep practicing, but I don't know what you practice. Okay. Yes, next person. A.K. Priyash. Read.
Just Kim. Kim is
And please, a small thing, please don't take for class for granted. You please do effort. When I teach, when I give my time, you have to give your time. That sincerity must be there.
yes.
Yeah.
Kim.
You have to have value for the teacher's time also. I have got a tight schedule. In spite of my schedule, this is a sort of a seva, what we can do to this language, to this for this language to flourish. If people should come forward to learn eagerly, this should put effort, should know the greatness of this language. And only the study of Shastram is possible. Gita, Vedanta, it is possible. Otherwise, how it is possible? It's all treasure. Anyway. Okay, continue. I can Priyaj.
Kim. Kaha, kau, ke. What or who? Idam shabdam. Ayam, imau, ime. This is closer. I don't know others.
Others, yeah, I not taught you. Asau, amu, ami in Pullinga. Anyway, it's okay. I mean, you are taking everything for Pullinga and doing. It's your choice. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Others is asau, amu, ami. Leave it. Not required. Yeah.
What is the meaning of others?
Others.
Down.
You tell
Down or
me. We have
below.
seen. Huh?
Down or below.
Very far.
Others.
That.
Very far. Very far. We have seen that. It's a demonstrative pronoun.
Oh, okay.
Tat shabda, idam shabda, etat shabda, others shabda we have seen. Aso adityaha, that is a sun. Asavadityaha, Brahmevaham asmi. In Sandhyavandana mantra and all it comes Aso adityaha in Veda. Okay.
Yes. Etat, eshaha, etau, ete. This, tadis, that, saha, taute. Purusha, this is Pullinga Shabdam. Purushaha, Purushau, Purushaha.
Yes. In fact, this you are supposed to do. I thought you will do it, but in the class, okay. I know they are not saying properly. That's why I did this exercise. But more exercises are there. If you do it quickly, that we can finish that in the class. But the declension itself is just a, yeah, you're saying something.
Suddenly we get stuck, sir.
Huh?
When you ask, suddenly we get stuck, sir.
The
Stuck to
basic
our-
things you should not struck, right? When reading should not be struck.
Suddenly the mind
I'm
goes
a-
blank.
Suddenly the mind goes. In the Gurukulam, not only the Gurukulam, everywhere the teaching is only through asking. Otherwise, how the teaching can take place? Teaching is only through asking, making you. In fact, you are learning. In fact, more than I teach, I make you read, and you understand. You tell me what it is. Having taught what are the things, then you read and you let me know what is that. That is how I teach. It is not that one person talking, other listening. It is you, students speak and teachers listen. The whole, if you see it from the beginning, it is like that only. In the beginning, I say something, then I stop. After that, you have to say. Okay, so anyway, that lot of exercises are there in this, not only in this, and Sanskrita Rashtriya Samsthan book is there. There also we are going to do the same thing. If you do it quickly, then I will be happy that you understand. If we struggle to do a simple thing, then I keep saying the same thing. What will I do? It will be the same. It will be, with the anchor on, we'll be pushing the boat. Destination is nowhere. You work, please do work. You do homework. I don't know whether you have seen the other classes in the channel. You see, there are some advanced classes out there. Ashtadhyayi is there, and very advanced classes and intermediate classes. We have to go there. In one class, it is 264 class. It is advanced. Another class, 100th class, it is Sandhi part we are doing. It's important thing for knowing. When are we going to see all those things? To reach that, I think we are in 50th class. It will take another 150 classes for us to go there. If this pace we go. Speed is not important. Picking up is important. Okay. I keep saying this. You please do homework. What will I say?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
Yes, Guru.
I have to work. I have to work.
Yes, Guruji.
Anyway, most of the people don't turn up for a class. That doesn't matter. Even 4 or 5 people are the sincere people, it's enough. It's okay. Whoever wants to learn, it's fine. Okay, we stop here. Thank you. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavad.
Namaste.
Dhanyavadaha.